So I thought I was finished trapping. Said I had a few wolf snares out. And all of a sudden I see, my wife says, there's a tree swinging like crazy. I had a wolf, or have a wolf, in a fox snare. Caught by a foot and he couldn't get enough of a swing. So, whoa. I had to take a shot where I could take a shot. Put it in the ribs and it looks like that did the trick. And my heart's going a million miles an hour. I'm shaking like a leaf. Beauty. A nice one. Look at the color on that. Oh, oh no, he couldn't get a swing. Oh, I'm shaking like a leaf. Okay, the gun is loaded, but not cocked. Yeah, I put it in his ribs because I couldn't see his head and I didn't want him to break that snare, which is a miracle he didn't. So we came in, we saw tracks, and I was dumping bait and checking the wolf spot, and I said, I gotta check out these tracks. But I did it in reverse on the way out. And then, so we did what we had to do, come back here, and I'm checking these, and I looked at the tracks, I said, hey, those look like wolf, but I wasn't sure if it was wolf or deer. And my wife stayed in the car, she said, hey, there's a tree moving like crazy. And I looked at the tracks, I said, it looks like a wolf. And yeah, he's caught like a friggin' toe, I think. Yeah, he doesn't seem to be breathing anymore.
It's right here?
Yeah.
The rear toe?
Yeah. Look at that. So look, he's caught by a friggin' toe. Well, you're gonna have luck. You may as well have good luck. So I guess I'm skinning this afternoon. Yeah, he's caught by a friggin', well, maybe a couple of toes. Yeah, here, hold this. I'm gonna pull him out. You good? Keep looking to see if he's breathing because I don't know where I shot. Well, I know where I shot, but I didn't shoot like I normally shoot. Oh, who's a beauty?
That's a big.
It's a big ass, beautiful wolf.
That's a, yeah. Holy smokes.
Okay, it's a bit of a There's not time for you to come back, buddy boy. Because I'd be in trouble. Catch your eye. Okay, good. Good, good, good. So, all right, I'm going to unload the gun. Wait, stop there, honey. No, just hold, just stop. Okay, you're fine. Here, can I have the 22, please? Because that's the first thing we got to take care of. Okay, that's unloaded. I'll let you have. Undo the snare. Yeah, I'll take it. Good luck once in a while. Hey, I'll take some good luck.
I was wondering if it was a fisher or something
Well,
in
it
the
was
tree.
shaking like crazy. It's because he couldn't get enough of a swing. He couldn't. Yeah, that's fortuitous. Like that, he got caught today. Like he got caught, well, they were just snowed. So he got caught really not long ago. Okay, I gotta undo this. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I gotta back the car up to here. No. Okay, so. Let me pass you. He's a big one. He's a big one. Okay, that's, you see that snare? We'll leave it set.
Okay.
He's a dandy. He's a dandy. I'll let you go in front. So. a good looking wolf. Yeah. Ugh. So, see the tracks? He was running. He came running in. Went in there, so we might have just scared him in there when he came in. Here you go. I'll get it in the truck. It's not the first time I catch him by a foot like that, but
Gonna need my help.
I might.
Big head.
Big dog.
Yeah.
Big dog. Here, let me put the gun away. Frig, I can't pick this up. That's heavy. He's a beauty.
So you need my help.
Oh, I need your help. He's, I think they call this a silver. He's not a tawny so much. He's a friggin' nice wolf. He's a beaut. A toe. See that? He's caught by one toe. Yeah. Caught by a toe. Right behind the pad. And you see the wire's not too kinked. The double wire here. Holy smoke, seriously? I think I gotta go buy a lotto ticket. I might have to hit the asphalt and go to town. Okay, we'll put this down and get him in the truck. Ready?
Nope.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Male or female, huh? What a beautiful wolf. Yeah, it's a female. This is where I pulled the snares because I was going to catch a deer. So, and I was glad. I said, okay, I did some skinning this morning, not some skinning, some fleshing. Said, okay, I'm free. Excuse me, I'm free for the day. You know, I guess I'm skinning this afternoon. Excuse me. Go home, have some lunch, and get skinning. Seriously, I'm a little freaked out right now. The heart was going like fast. I didn't want to lose it. Like everything, it was no way was I going to have anybody filming. Like my wife was, I had the camera in my pocket, but I wasn't going to have my wife come out and film. Didn't know what was going to happen, eh? Obviously, when you see how it was caught to. So yeah, it wasn't time to play Kodak Jack and take pictures. So anyways, take another picture at the house, and that's it. I don't know what happened on the ride back, but somehow that female wolf became a male wolf. So there's that. And give you an idea, we've been gone from the house for an hour. We went to dump bait carcasses and check a couple of wolf stairs. So we're back in an hour. Is this gonna hold? No. There we go. I don't want to fall. Okay, we'll have a look. It's a big dog. Big dog. So the battery died and it's recharged, and look, here's that toe catch. I mean, lucky musher, unlucky wolf. Yeah, one toe. Yeah, caught by one toe. So yeah, good looking wolf, exciting occurrence. And oh, there's a better picture there. Here we are. So seeing if I could see anything. So anyways, thought trapping was over, thought my skinning day was over, but it's not. So all done. A lot easier when they're hot. It still took a couple hours. And yeah, I'm happy with the color on this one. But around here, it's not a bad wolf. Lots of excitement today. Thanks for watching. Till the next time.